Hey guys, how's it going? So quick update for you this week. What's happening in Digitex land? As you can see, we're almost at 1 million people signed up on the waitlist. 1 million people. That is unbelievable. We're about to have the 1 millionth person sign up on our waitlist. That's not a million people that have been to our website. That's a million people that went to our website and actually gave enough of a shit about it to sign up with an email. I mean, I don't know about you, I never sign up for shit with emails. So that's a lot of people that are actually interested in what's coming here. We got that marketing down. We really got that down. We're really happy with how that wait list is coming along. The traffic we're getting to the site is just ridiculous. There's never really been any doubt that we got the marketing right. You know, we really did dial that in a while ago. As you know, the thing we've been all waiting for is that product. We got to get that product launch out there. We're still scheduled for end of Q1, early Q2. That's on track. That is just my complete focus now. You know, we have to get that over the line because we know what we can do when we have a product. Look at what we did just going up to Malta, like that November the 1st demo. That was like a product, really. That November 1st demo date was a product. Look what we did to that token price just before that, the way we marketed that. We got that whole marketing system lined up now. We got it. We know exactly what to do. We're ready to pull the trigger on that. We've got media ready. We've got buy it. We've got placements ready. We've got all kinds of shit that's going to go on when this product is ready, right? Leading up to the launch of that product, shit's going to go crazy again because we know what to do and we know how to do it. You know, most products do this the other way around. Most guys build something and then they've got a problem actually trying to find people that want to, you know, that have got any kind of interest in that product. We're doing it the other way around. You know, we started with an idea and then we've taken it from an idea to funding to actually building the product, and we've already got that baying crowd, that hungry crowd of people that are just angry and, you know, really want this product to come out there. That is a valuable thing. You know, that is amazing that we have that we have so many people that are so interested in this thing launching. It's a really valuable thing, and we really got to focus on what that is going to bring when we do launch this, because we are launching this. I think the token price is so low now because people are just, they're just like, is this going to launch? Are they going to launch this? Is it going to be any good? That's the risk that you're taking right now. That's the risk with Digitex token. Is this going to launch? Because if it does launch end of Q1, early Q2, this shit's going to pop, and it's going to do it like it did in Malta. It's going to go even worse than Malta. It's just going to go crazy. Malta kind of fizzled out because, you know, let's face it, we did the demo November the 1st. November, you know, after a year of the market going down, November, you remember the crypto market just halved again. It was brutal. The bottom fell out of it in November. Also, people kind of realized we were going to miss the Q4 deadline, and we just kind of drifted from there. This time, when we got this product launch ahead, when we do that, it's going to be like Malta, but better, and we're not going to fizzle out, and we're going to go way beyond that 15-cent price. So like I say, that product is really important. We don't really need to focus on our marketing as much at this point because we got that dialed in, everything's ready, we're ready to pull the trigger on it. We got to get that product right. So I'm just flying around now all over the place. We've now got developers in Dublin, Cyprus and Moscow, and I'm just on a loop between those three. I'm going to Cyprus, back to Cyprus tonight. I'm just, you know, going around those three, just cracking heads, asking a lot of questions, making sure shit's not drifting off again like it did last time, and just making damn well sure we get that product over the line, which is what we're going to do. When that does, I mean, it's really going to go off again. It really is. What are the news we got? The end of the month, March the 1st, we've got the Digitex Treasury coming up too. So just to clarify what the Digitex Treasury is, basically there's been 3 phases, or there's going to be 3 phases of revenue generation for Digitex. The first one was the ICO. The second phase, the current phase, which is just about to start, is the Digitex Treasury, and then that lasts for 2.5 years, and then in 2021, the third phase of token issuance starts. So we've got those 3 phases that are a clear, transparent path for how we're going to get money, how we've got money, how we're going to get more money to do all the things that are on our roadmap. It's a very clear, transparent mechanism for how we're going to do what we say we're going to do. And, you know, for some of the stick that the Digitex Treasury's got, you've got to remember that every single crypto company ever that's ever created its own token has a treasury of tokens. It has a big pile of its own tokens that it sells on the markets, it sells to whales, it sells them in backroom deals that you know nothing about. we're not doing anything unusual here. The only thing we're doing different is that we have stated publicly how many tokens we've got for sale, 100 million tokens. We are physically locking them away in a smart contract for the next 2.5 years, so they're out of our control. And then we're telling you on what dates those tokens get released. There's 10 million tokens get released every quarter, starting March the 1st for the next 2.5 years. We're telling you how those tokens get released, when, how they're sold, at what price. We're doing what other crypto companies do, but we're doing it differently in that we're telling you when these tokens are coming onto the market. We're not just doing it in a secret, shady way. We're saying these tokens are going to get sold. This is how we're going to do it. This is when we're going to do it. This is the mechanism we're doing it for. So the Digitex Treasury is a great thing. The market knows what's coming. The market knows what to expect. And right now, like I say, the token's 3.5 cents now. We're not going to sell tokens less than 5 cents in the Digitex Treasury. So if on March the 1st, the token's still at 3.5 cents, there's no problem. We're just going to put them up for sale at 5 cents. If they sell, they sell. If they don't, they don't. It doesn't matter. We've got 2.5 years to sell these tokens. What happens on March the 1st, March the 10th, March 20th, doesn't really matter. We've got to get that product out there. We've got to get that product launched. We're going to do that. There's going to be massive fanfare when we do that. The token price is going to go batshit crazy. We're going to follow through with that. We're going to make sure it keeps going up because, you know, they say I'm not supposed to talk about the token price, but fuck that. We're all interested in the token price. The exchange is interested in the token price. It's the token price that makes this exchange aligned with its users. You know, any other fee charging exchange, it's, you know, exchange against user. You know, they want to just charge you commissions. They just want to get as much money, you know, milk as much money as they can from the system, siphon as much liquidity as they can from the markets in the form of commissions. We don't do that. We've got no interest in that. The only thing the exchange is interested in is maintaining and increasing the price of the token, which is exactly what our users want. We want exactly the same thing as our users. This revenue model, it hasn't been done before for an exchange, and it's going to work really, really well. The exchange and the users in total alignment with what they want. That no other exchange works like that. So really excited to get this over the line. Just focused completely on product now. The marketing is going to kick off when we say it is. It's all lined up. We got that covered. You know we have. You've seen us do it. We're going to do it again. Get this product over the line. That's what I'm going to do. And in the meantime, join the waitlist. We'll keep you in touch. And yeah, I'll be in touch very soon. All right, cheers, guys.